Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Miss CC. So today I just thought I'd sit down and just film my everyday makeup routine with a little bit of accessories like some earrings, scarf, and this is my lovely wife. Hi baby.
You look nice.
I look nice? Thank you. You look nice. Where are your earrings?
I don't have on any.
You don't have any? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. So if you do work, if you're going to school, this will be a nice look for you. If you are a beginner, don't know where to begin, whether it's drugstore or high-end, this is your video.
Let's go.
So I'm going to take you guys with me for my drugstore haul like I said I would. But before then, I want you to subscribe and hit that little notification bell right beside it so you get my newest uploaded video, so you guys will know it'll come straight to your PC, your phone, or your tablet, whatever mobile device that you are using, just by hitting that bell. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing my everyday routine, whether it's for work, school, or just beginners, just keep on watching this video, and I hope you will enjoy it. So hit that like button, and by the end of it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What do you do for your everyday routine? Do you add lashes? Do you do accessories like I do? Or do you just do plain Jane, like just throw on your t-shirt, your sweats, and just live life like it's golden, you know?